With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So in this question it is saying steel ball of mass m1 equal to 1 kg moving with velocity 50 meter per second collides with another ball m2 equal to 200 gram lying on the ground. Due to the collision, the kinetic energy is lost and the internal energies change equally, and T1 and T2 are the temperature differences of masses these. Alright, if the S of steel is unity and J equal to this much, then we need to find out T2 and T1. Kinetic energy lost is equal to half m1 v squared is equal to J Q1 plus Q2, which is the J is the work equivalent of heat. Alright, so if we put in the values, we will find half into 1 into 50 squared becomes equal to 4.18. Q1 plus Q2 is 1 into 1 multiplied by, if we considered the initial temperature to be room temperature, and this is 0.2 multiplied by 1, and this is T2 minus 27. Alright, why we took it as 1, this specific heat, it is mentioned in question, and mass is 1 and 0.2 respectively. Alright, so we name this as equation 1. Also we see that internal energies changes equally, so we can say that 1 multiplied by 1 into 27, just a second to write it properly, 27 minus T1 is equal to 0.2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 27 minus T2. Alright, so what we derive, 5.4 minus this much is equal to 27 minus T1, or T1 minus 0.2 T2 equal to 21.6. Alright, degree Celsius. So if we solve these, we name it as equation 2. If we solve equation 1 and 2, upon solving 1 and 2, we obtain T1 equal to 3.4 degrees Celsius and T2 equal to 17 degrees Celsius. Alright, so we see that option C is correct. Alright, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.